So I'm going to say start the car if you want to do this deal. It's not for everybody, but if this is a deal you wish to pursue, I mean, start the cart and get to Walgreens right away. We have a glitch deal, meaning when this is going to expire and be over is unknown at this time. If you could possibly share information in the comments, if it's working for you, if it's not working for you, what state you're in, and what time. Much appreciated. So just to talk about this deal, I want to give a special shout out to Don's Deals and Lorena because they showed this deal. I first saw it on Lorena's Instagram page, but this is over at Walgreens. So let's talk about the deal right off the bat. Okay, so over at Walgreens this week, you can grab 2 of these Garnier Fructis or the whole blends. They are 2 for $8. And we have a digital coupon that's a 3 off of 2. When you buy 2 of them, you're getting back a $4 register reward. And I'm going to show you all this stuff here in a quick second. Now, most of you that follow my channel, you know that I went and did this deal on Sunday. So in theory, all digital coupons are of a one-time use. But guess what, guys? That digital coupon, it just keeps resetting, guys, which is really weird. So I did the deal on Sunday, and then I did it 4 more times this morning because my mother-in-law loves Garnier, and I'm like, I'm just going to stock her up with some of this. And same store card, I was able to do like 4 transactions back to back to back. I also threw in this register reward that printed for me on Sunday, and it just kept printing. So that's called a rolling register reward. So you have your 3 off digital coupon, and that's $7 off. You're paying $1, and then a second one of these will print for you. I normally don't do this, but I'm just going to show you the receipt so I can explain this a little better. Get the cashier to scan 2 of the Garniers, present that $4 register reward, and your digital coupon is coming off. So you'll pay $1. I rolled $1 of Walgreens cash, and then a second $4 register reward prints. You must do your transaction separately, because only one $4 register reward will print per transaction. Now, if you guys prefer the whole blends, it's also working on those. Definitely check your app. Is your coupon still there? Did you do the deal earlier in the week? That should be a very good sign that this is still happening. And check the inventory in your store. And the easiest way to do that is just throw a bunch of these shampoos in a cart. Are they in stock? Are they not in stock? You know, for a curbside pickup. You got to do this deal also in store. So hopefully I'm explaining this very concisely and correctly. And please share in the comments if this is working for you, if it's not. If you're a bit shy and just not sure, you know what I would recommend? Do 1 transaction, and does it print? Does it not print? Take a roll of the dice. If you're not a gambler, just stay home. But if you're a gambler and you're like, yeah, I want some of this 50-cent shampoo, go and make it happen right away. As this is not my first rodeo with these glitches over at Walgreens, sometimes Walgreens will get just kind of not so nice. And what they're going to do is deactivate the register reward. So if you try to use it next week on a deal, it's just going to create an error message at checkout. So what I recommend is if you're going to do this deal a bunch of times, use your $4 register reward right away, guys. Grab some chips, grab whatever you want in the store, but use it right away because they have done that in the past where they have deactivated register rewards, sort of glitch deals. And also with Walgreens, I think this all stems from Sunday when the whole system was down for 12 hours or whatever. It was really bizarre. And coupons are still in people's folders. So something is really up. If you can follow my instructions, go and then use that $4 register reward and get yourself something right away so you can use it. I did this deal about noon and it worked 4 times for me, just to note that. And I'm up here in Michigan. Okay, guys, last thing I want to talk about is this email I got from Walgreens this morning. We got that weird booster of $10 of Walgreens cash for spending $30 on healthy products. What is a healthy product? I guess it's their dandruff shampoo, some trail mix, Band-Aids, different supplements, allergy relief, and that looks like some sort of like hydration flavor that you put to stay, hydrated in your water or whatever. So some stuff. I know that the Nexus was also working with that, and then just the regular sunscreen also that we had in this morning's curbside video. So I would get out right away if you wish to get some of that cheap Garnier shampoo. This is a once in a blue moon kind of a deal when these roll around. Good luck, and please share in the comments your findings, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.